Hello, good morning. Please come in and have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling very well, actually. That's why I'm here.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what seems to be the problem?
I've been having a bad headache for the past few days, and I feel tired all the time. I also have some pain in my neck.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
It started about 4 days ago. At first, I thought it would go away, but it's getting worse.
I understand. Have you noticed anything else? Any fever, nausea, or dizziness?
No fever, but I do feel a bit dizzy sometimes. And I've also been having trouble sleeping because of the headache.
Are the headaches constant or do they come and go?
They come and go, but when they're there, they're really painful. It feels like pressure around my temples.
That sounds uncomfortable. Have you taken any medication for the pain?
Yes, I've been taking some over-the-counter painkillers, but they don't seem to help much.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medications that I should know about?
No, I don't have any allergies that I know of.
And how is your overall health? Do you have any chronic conditions, like high blood pressure or diabetes?
No, I'm usually healthy. I try to eat well and exercise a few times a week.
That's good to hear. I'll need to check your blood pressure and temperature. Let's start with that.
Sure, no problem.
A few minutes later.
Your blood pressure is normal, and your temperature is fine. Now I'm going to take a closer look at your neck. Can you turn your head to the side for me?
Like this?
Yes, thank you. Does it hurt when I press here?
Yes, a little. It feels a bit stiff and sore.
It seems like your neck muscles are tense. This could be contributing to your headaches. Have you been under a lot of stress lately?
Yes, actually. I've been really busy at work, and I haven't had much time to relax.
Stress can definitely cause tension headaches. I recommend you try to take some time to rest and maybe practice some relaxation techniques like deep breathing or yoga.
I'll try that. Is there anything else I can do?
You can also try using a warm compress on your neck and shoulders to help relax the muscles. And make sure to drink plenty of water and get enough sleep.
Okay, I'll do that. Should I avoid any activities?
Avoid any strenuous activities for now. Gentle exercise like walking is fine, but don't overdo it. And try to take breaks if you're sitting at a desk for long periods.
Got it. Do you think I need any tests?
I don't think so at this point. But if the headaches don't improve in a week, or if they get worse, come back and we can do some further tests, like a blood test or a scan.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll also give you a prescription for a stronger pain reliever that might help more than the over-the-counter ones.
That would be great. Thank you.
Do you have any other questions or concerns?
Yes, actually. I've also been feeling a bit of discomfort in my stomach after meals. It's not painful, but it's uncomfortable.
How long have you been feeling that way?
For about 2 weeks now. It happens mostly after I eat, especially if I have something spicy or greasy.
It could be indigestion or acid reflux. Try to avoid spicy and fatty foods for a while and eat smaller meals. If the discomfort continues, we can look into it further.
Okay, I'll do that. Is there anything I can take for it?
You can try an antacid after meals. It should help with the discomfort. If it doesn't, let me know.
I will. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. I'll write down everything we talked about, and you can pick up the prescription at the pharmacy on your way out.
Thank you, doctor. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, and if you have any more problems, don't hesitate to call or come in.
I will. Thank you, and have a good day.
You too. Get well soon.